This video shows how to buy shares of Royalty Pharma PLC using the ticker RPRX as the search term. Royalty Pharma PLC invests in biopharmaceutical royalties and is listed on NASDAQ under RPRX. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We use eToro as the example platform. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker RPRX to locate Royalty Pharma PLC. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to reach the correct stock page. On the stock page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's Royalty Pharma PLC. Verify the ticker and exchange so you are on the correct asset before investing. To buy, click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform interface.